The conductor arrived promptly. He looked hot and worried. Look, hot, worry. Being monsieur, perhaps a twinkle to poor eye, led him to unburden himself. Unburden. Yes, worried, twinkle, unburdened. The conductor arrived promptly. He looked hot and worried. Being Monsignor, perhaps a twinkle in poet's eye led him to unburden himself. Yes, he wiped his forehead. Imagine to yourself the time I have had with you. Time. What a time I had with somebody, she insists on. But insists that there is a man in her compartment. Figure yourself, Monsignor, I am in space of this size. He swept around her. Where would he conceal oneself? I agree with you, I point out. She insists. She woke up to walk, and there is a man there. And how, I ask, did he get out and leave the door bolted behind him? But she will not listen to reason, and though there were not enough to be worried already. The snow conceal reason enough. He wiped his forehead. Imagine to yourself the time I have had with you. She insists, but insists there is a man in your compartment. Figure to yourself, Monsignor, in space of this size, he swept a hand round. Where would he conceal himself? I argue with you. I point out that it be impossible. She insists. She woke up. There is a man there. And how, I ask, did he get out and leave the door bolted behind him? But she will not listen to reason, as though there were not enough to worry already. The snow. Snow? But yes, Monsignor. Monsignor has not noticed. The train has stopped. We have run into a snow drift. Run into something. Heaven knows how long we shall be here. I remember once being snowed for 7 days, snow up. Where we are, between Vicomte and Broad. La, said Poirot vexedly. The man withdrawn. Monsignor, Snowdrift, Heaven withdrew. Репетитор по скайпу, Smart Teacher 190.